Are you a realtor and this is what your website looks like after you integrate IDX Broker? It works, sure, but it looks generic, just like a lot of other agent sites, and it doesn't really feel like it's helping you generate more clients. Now, imagine being able to go from this to this. A clean professional website with your colors, your brandings, and IDX pages actually designed to turn visitors into leads. That is what we do with IDX Connect by Realty Candy. I'm German, a software developer at Realty Candy. In this video series, I'm going to show you from my perspective as a developer how we can transform your IDX Broker website using our IDX Connect package. So your site stops being an online page and actually becomes a tool that's helped grow your real estate business. So, what exactly is an IDX Connect? When a visitor registers, saves a search, or asks for more information, that list doesn't just sit there and get lost. With IDX Connect, that data can flow straight into tools you use every day, so you can flow up and turn more of these leads into closed clients. At Realty Candy, we offer three levels of IDX Connect, designed for different states of your business. Our standard package, perfect if you want your IDX Connect to match your website fonts, colors, headers, and footers with optimized IDX settings, and case homepage widgets like MLS search, home valuations, and Google Maps widgets. Or the look package, which includes everything in standard, plus a features new listings, widgets on your homepage and community pages with AI written content, and live MLS results. And our most complete option, all the bells and whistles from IDX Broker engaged user only, who wants even more community pages and homepage grid linked to those communities. You may also like widgets and market reports for each community. We work with IDX Broker, IDX Add-on, and your favorite web builder. If you already have a builder, we integrate IDX Connect right into it. And if you don't have one yet, we highly recommend Go High Level as a powerful platform to manage your leads funnels in one place. This video is just a starting point. In the next episode of this series, we'll break down each package. First, the standard package, where we'll walk you through as a developer what it really means to match IDX pages to your website fonts, color, headers, and footers, and why that's matter for your brand. Then, we'll dive into the looks and finally all the bells and whistles, so you can clearly see what each option includes and which one fits your real estate business best. If seeing this before and after has you thinking your site needs an upgrade too, I'd love for you to visit realtycandy.com, check out our IDX package, and book a call with our team. In this series, you will see why partnering with Realty Candy can be one of the best decisions you make to professionalize your online presence and get more out of your website with IDX Broker. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!